The co-driver function in the ELD allows for multiple drivers to be logged into one mobile device. The active user can override safe mode to use the mobile device while the active driver operates the vehicle. In this video, we will show you how to sign in as a co-driver and explain the difference between an active user and an active driver. Let's begin. From the driver overview screen, tap the Add Driver icon. The driver sign-in screen opens. Tap Enter Driver ID. The virtual keyboard opens. Enter your driver ID. Tap Next on the virtual keyboard. Enter your password in the Enter Password field. If your carrier did not provide you with a password, you must contact them to request one. Tap Done on the virtual keyboard. The device validates your credentials and retrieves your driver logs. This may take several minutes, depending on how many logs need to be retrieved. Note that you must have a cellular connection to retrieve logs. Device functionality will not be affected. Your logs will update once you are reconnected. The availability preview screen opens and the Verify Log Data window appears. This notifies you of any conflicts or actions in your logs that require your attention. Tap OK to close the window. The availability preview screen shows your last recorded duty status, driving time left in your current shift, the date and time when you will gain drive time, and the regulations that you are currently operating under. If your current drive time shows NA, there is not enough log history for the system to calculate your hours. Please contact your carrier for assistance. If your current drive time shows 0, you do not have enough hours remaining to operate the vehicle. Review your hours of service information before operating the vehicle to ensure that all information is correct. You are responsible for ensuring all records required to be in your possession are available in electronic or paper format. After reviewing your log availability, tap Status to set your initial duty status. The Choose Status window opens. Depending on your driver profile settings, some status options may not be available to you. Select the status that matches your current activity. Please note, only one driver can be in the on-driver status. If a co-driver is already using that status, the following status options will not be available to you: on driver, on duty yard moves, and off-duty personal conveyance. If you select an active status and your company has the option turned on, the Select Predefined Annotation window opens. Tap the annotation that describes your current activity. It will appear in your log events. Tap Skip to bypass adding an annotation to your logs. The Manage Shipments screen opens. To continue with the current shipment, tap Next. To enter a new shipment, tap Enter Shipment ID. The virtual keyboard opens. Enter your shipment ID. Tap the down arrow to collapse the virtual keyboard. Tap Add. The shipment ID is now listed under Current Shipments. Once all shipments are recorded, tap the Next button. If your carrier uses Trimble DVIR, you may be required to complete an inspection during login. For more information, see the Trimble DVIR's on- and off-duty training video. Once you have completed the sign-in process, the P-Mobile home screen opens. To return to the driver overview screen, tap ELD. When 2 or more drivers are logged into one mobile device, the system considers one an active user and all others as non-active users. One driver card is present for every non-active user logged into the device. The active user is the user whose logs and hours of service information is available on the driver overview screen. To change a non-active user to the active user, tap on the driver card. The driver password window opens. Tap the Enter Password field. The virtual keyboard opens. Enter the password, then tap Done on the virtual keyboard. Tap OK to submit the password. The active driver is the user currently in the on driver status. An active driver can be a non-active user. In the example shown, the non-active user is the current active driver. If both drivers are using the on not driver status, there is no active driver. If the vehicle moves when there is no active driver, an unidentified driving event is created. All drivers logged into the mobile device must ensure they use the appropriate duty status when the vehicle is moved. You have completed the Co-Driver Sign-In training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.